Hi, I'm Jim Ganther.
And I'm Tony Martinez, and together we'll be presenting the expanded Safeguards Rule and what to do about it at the 2020 NADA Convention and Expo in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada.
The recently revised Safeguards Rule took what had been best practices under the original version and turned them into explicit legal requirements. We'll focus on those new requirements, including the appointment of a CISO, or Chief Information Security Officer, you'll need one, development of an incident response plan and change management policy, and other essential controls you must put in place.
Specifically, we'll examine how to develop and implement an information security program and all that entails. We'll discuss key requirements such as penetration testing, which now must happen every year, and vulnerability assessments, which must occur every 6 months. This may all sound like techie mumbo jumbo, but we'll translate it into easily understandable terms.
We'll conclude this overview of the rule with an examination of how it connects with the FTC's documented enforcement posture that equates failure to follow the Safeguards Rule with a deceptive trade practice.
After we've scared you to death, we'll leave you with templates you can take home to create both an incident response plan and a change management policy, both required by the new rule.
But please don't just fill them in and file them. These are helpful starting points, not completed projects. And always talk to your local counsel. Compliance with the new rule is necessary, but it is doable and doesn't have to break the bank.
We look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas.